Every single night, you tell yourself the same lie. I'll change tomorrow. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes. You close the tab, you feel the shame, and the cycle repeats. What if I told you there are 5 brutally simple ways to kill that cycle permanently? Stay till the end, because number 5 is the one nobody talks about. Look, I know it's tough. Lust is one of the hardest battles you will ever fight, because the enemy lives inside your own mind. But here's the truth you need to hear today. If you don't change now, you never will. Not next week, not next month, now. In this video, I'm giving you 5 real, practical ways to destroy lust. Not manage it, not cope with it, destroy it. And if you watch until the end, I'll share the one mindset shift that makes all 5 of these actually stick. Way 1. Starve the trigger. Lust doesn't appear from nowhere. It feeds on what you consume. Unfollow the pages. Delete the apps. Remove the access. Don't wait for motivation. Take the first step right now. Clean your digital environment tonight. No more excuses. Way 2. Exhaust your body. Idle energy becomes destructive energy. Train hard. Run. Lift. Push until your body begs you to stop. Then keep going. When your body is spent, lust has no fuel. If you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. Way 3. Rewrite your identity. Stop saying, I'm trying to quit. Start saying, I'm not that person anymore. The person you want to be doesn't negotiate with weakness. The choice is yours. Stay stuck in the old story or write a new one. Take action on who you're becoming. Comment below, what identity are you stepping into? If this is hitting different, smash that like button and subscribe. This channel is for people who are done making excuses. Way 4. Build an accountability wall. Tell one person your goal. Shame grows in secrecy. The moment you speak it out loud, it loses power. It's going to be easy, but isolation is where lust wins every time. Don't wait. Text that person today. Way 5. Replace the void. Here's what nobody tells you. Lust isn't about desire, it's about emptiness. You're not chasing pleasure, you're escaping pain. Find purpose. Build something. Serve someone. The only time is now. Fill the void with meaning, and lust has nowhere to live. Starve the triggers. Exhaust the body. Rewrite your identity. Build accountability. Replace the void. I know it's tough, but if you don't change now, you never will. No more excuses. The person you want to be is waiting on the other side of this one decision. Take action. The only time is now. Subscribe if you're ready. Watch this next video. It goes even deeper. See you in the next one.